everyone. This is Sonia Studillo reporting live from Nairobi, Kenya. We are on our fifth day of INC3 and joining me is Abdul Ghaffar from Walhi, Indonesia. Hi Gopang, how are you?
Hello Sonia, hello Gayas folks.
So it's been 5 days now and people are talking about fall solutions. Can you tell us what fall solutions are being discussed here at INC3?
Yeah, hello everyone. My name is Gofar from Walhi, one of the member of Gaya from Alliance for Zero Waste Indonesia or ASWI. Now we are on the 5th days for the Intergovernmental Negotiation Committee on the third negotiations after Montevideo and Paris negotiations. And after the 5 days negotiation on the plastic treaty, we saw that several countries like Saudi Arabia and their friends, they established global coalition for plastic sustainability, and they want to changing the scope of this plastic treaty. Everyone need full life cycle of plastic be regulate on the plastic treaty, but several countries that join global coalition on plastic sustainability try to make a plastic treaty just focusing on downstreamings. But the high ambitious coalition, the civil society, including Gaya's member across the world that participate in the INC3, would like to try, like, if we want to dealing with the plastic pollution, we need to plastic productions, not just focusing on the downstreaming. So when we're talking about the potential elements of fall solutions, we can start with the countries that try to just focusing on downstreaming. It will be has a consequence if we talk only downstreaming. It will be talk on the waste management. Like as we know, everyone in the global south, waste management means try to promoting several technology that we call as fall solution, like open burning, incinerations, pyrolysis, plastic to fuel, and the other kind of the fall solution if we just try to discuss on the downstreaming. So that's what happens in the INC3, that it will be potential elements of fall solution. And today in the discussion on financial mechanisms, is there any potential elements of fall solution? Because when we're talking about the plastic pollution fee, we need to collect the fund for the implementation of the plastic treaty, especially for global south, like small island developing state, least developing countries. We need to collect not only from the developed countries that contributed to the plastic pollution, but also from the private sector. But we know that we have lots of delegates from the oil companies, petrochemicals, that the numbers of delegates, lobbyists, oil, gas and petrochemical lobbyists is more higher than the delegates of scientist coalition. So we are feeling so worried that several parties like private sector would like to avoiding the mandatory for plastic pollution fee and try to using like plastic credit. We know in the climate context, plastic credit is the problems. It's not solving the pollution, it's not solving the emission from the private sector. So that's what happened during the third session of Intergovernmental Negotiation Committee on the fall solutions context.
So how are the CSO delegates who have been fighting these fall solutions responding to this?
Yeah, in my personal perspective, I'm feeling so happy that the civil society movement like in Gaya, in BFIP Coalition Plus, try to push not only the member states but also try to unite the voice from civil society. Like we need plastic treaty that accommodate full life cycle of plastic, avoiding kind of fall solutions. I agree as the member of Gaya when Gaya trying to elaborate, trying to discuss with the member delegates that we don't need fall solutions like incineration, because we have lots of experience in the global south, like in Indonesia, in Vietnam, and Philippines. Like incineration, it's not solving the problems, it will be releasing the emissions, burdening our financial and lots of problems. So as the member of Gaya, I agree with the Gaya's standing positions, with the criticize of plastic credit, criticize of the incineration and the other kinds of fuel solution, not to accommodate in the next first draft after we talk zero draft during the INC3.
Okay. In wrapping up our discussion on fall solutions, can you provide an overview of the general sentiment among the delegates?
Yeah, as we discussed it before, it's several members that promoting such kind of full solution, try to just focusing on downstreaming, but we still have hope like in the futures, because several member state has a good standing position, like talking about the just transition, talking about the need of conversation with the impacted communities like West speakers, indigenous people. So even we talking about the worst scenario with the proposal from private sector and several countries that we call it as minus ambitious coalitions or low ambitious coalitions. So we still have a hope, and of course in the next days we still have 2 days, and then in the upcoming INC, in INC 5 and INC 4, INC 5, we need to make sure that no false solution, and we need a real solution like reuse revolutions. And of course the main demand of coalition is we need a plastic production. We don't need the downstreaming approach like waste to energy like the other fuel solutions. So even we are so worried, but we still have a hope. Let's fight together, let's support our message.
Thank you so much, Gopang. So, hopeful, worried but hopeful. Okay, thank you again. This is Sonia for Zero Waste Asia Newsbreak.